Beautiful fall day. It's gonna frost probably Tuesday. It's Sunday right now, so we gotta work in the garden. I just got all that stuff collected, and I got my drone set up. So here we go. This is my hay bale garden. Asparagus. That's where the squash used to be. It's our winter fall garden here with the peas, tomatoes. There's an asparagus bed. Sweet potatoes. Herbs. And then raspberries. I'm afraid I'm gonna fall, so I can't do my sound effects here. That's some turnips. Whew. Didn't crash the drone. Little helper decided she wanted to do art today. So looking at my list here, I highlighted all the things that need to do before frost. I'm gonna start pulling out tomato plants, gathering up some seed, getting all the peppers out. So I'll go and do that. Thanks for helping, guys.
We are fine peppers instead of leeks. If you get leeks, yeah, we can find leaves all day you want. If you want.
So I'm about to pull all the tomatoes out of the hay bale garden area now. And we're going to hang them up inside to ripen a little bit more. Here's the sweet potatoes. Kind of small. This is the funnest one. Anyway, these were all grown pretty late, and it's Michigan, so. And then these were the sweet potatoes that grew in the hay bales. That's what we've gotten done so far. The tomatoes are gonna hang in the basement. Gotta haul those to the chickens. And Abby's getting the sweet potatoes in the bucket. And thank you for getting our peppers.
You're welcome. Got a full bucket full.
Wow, okay. I hope the chickens like these.
Yeah. I come down. Look how high we are. We're that close to the power line, and we're up.
Looks like the only thing we have left that I needed to do was pick the peas.
Where are the peas? Peas.
Here's
Oh,
some.
let's go down the other side.
Here, Otto. Go step on this lettuce here. You want those?
This one's better.
Yeah. Okay, another treat for helping. We got raspberries over there.
Raspberries?
Yeah. You find any?
There's two.
Like Abby just stepped on some.
Lesson learned, I didn't tie these up.
It's perfectly red. No,
So they're getting moldy.
Perfect and red is perfect. And it tastes good too. It's like the best one I ate.
Next year we'll have all these plants have them.
Mm-hmm.
So if we have time, we're going to put these posts in for the raspberries.
Yeah, even I am.
So this is what we got. Bucket of sweet potatoes. Basket of peppers, a few tomatoes. Some Thai basil seeds. Dug up one of the lemongrass. Chives. My rosemary that never grew, I'll bring it in. Some herbs here to dry. Sweet potato vine. Those are for the raspberries. And these are vine tomatoes here. I'm really happy with what we got done. Making a list helped a lot because there was so much to do. Only some of it had to be done before frost. So anyway, I've had one of our first ducks cooking in the oven while we were working, and we're losing daylight here, so we're gonna try to get those raspberries tied up right here before I need to go in and finish dinner or feed the baby. So anyways, that was a pretty good fall October, I think it's October 12th, cleanup day. Anyways, there you go.
Alright. How many people need hearing plugs?
Just me.
Good.
You can have some in the spring and the summer. She got a red hand.
Oh yeah. Her little sister fed her paper color with marker.
Oh wow.
Yeah. We already washed it. It still didn't.
I need to put on some post in. I'm gonna take these and put them on the porch because it's not supposed to frost tonight. Fingernail moon. Your garden cleanup went as well as ours, and shout out to Old Camp Ranch for that wonderful drone footage. I'm tied up, but it's pretty windy. Alright, they look a lot better now.
And we